Hi everyone, welcome to the shop. We continue with the construction of the Phoenix Zero. Wings are done, the fuselage is done practically. Now we need to think about the power source. This is going to be this engine, the NGH 4-stroke 38 cc's. So let's see what is inside the box. It's going to be a quick unboxing. Here we have it's a really nice state-of-the-art engine. Last time I have a 4-stroke engine was a OS. It was quite long ago. So this one is going to be my first 4-stroke petrol engine. Before I used to have the methanol and nitro engines, and this is my first petrol. So you can see that the casting and everything is very nice, no flashes, no mistakes, no problems. You see, everything is very smooth. The head is also cast. We have the carburetor here, velocity stack, the pickup for the CDI with the magnet here. It looks really solid, very nice. The pump pressure from the crankcase. We have adapter for the exhaust. Actually this is exhaust because this one has an adapter. You have motor mounts, very convenient. You don't need to buy extra. It comes together with the plane, with the motor for the engine. We have the spark plug. This is what's the brand? This one, RCXL. All right. Okay. And here we have the CDI electronic ignition. Alright. The cable plus cable tube, and this is the CDI. Interesting angle. It's not 90 degrees. It's probably 135, something like that. The box is going to go inside the plane. Connection for battery and throttle. Right. It's good. So this is it. I mean, not much here to say. Just I'm going to install to the Zero. I'm waiting for the propeller to start doing the braking period, and I hope this one is going to be ready by the next weekend. So I have around 6 more days to work on this one. It's not very easy because I'm currently also working, but I'm using some hours in the night to do the details. Alright, thank you for watching. See you soon, and stay safe, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.